Welcome to Millionaire by Morning. We are back with another informative video. Today we have an exciting topic that can truly transform your business. Customer relationship management tips for a thriving side hustle. Customer or client relationship management refers to implementing strategies through which you can nurture relationships with your customers. The main goal is to build mutual trust to retain customers. Why is building a good relationship with your customers so important? Well, to earn customer loyalty, get free word-of-mouth marketing by loyal customers, increase revenue due to satisfied long-term clients, keep repeat customers engaged, better understanding of customer needs, and to boost brand reputation. Remember, keeping your existing customers happy is gold. Now let's dive into some awesome tips to build rock-solid client relationships. First, build trust. Trust is like the glue that holds your customer relationships together. So, be honest and transparent in your dealings. No empty promises here. After all, authenticity is key. Next up, be proactive in responding to your clients. Whether they reach out to you with feedback or concerns, be there to listen and understand their needs. Also, engage with your audience on social media. Stay in touch with your customers. Communication is vital, but it's important to find the perfect balance. Don't bombard your customers with constant messages. Don't overdo it if you don't want to ruin the relationship. Sell benefits, not product features. Look at the marketing of top brands. Nike doesn't sell athletic gear. It empowers customers to achieve their fitness goals. So, identify the unique benefits your side hustle offers to your target customers. Then, highlight those benefits in your marketing campaigns. Focus on the value you bring to the table. Add a personal touch in your communication. Folks, add a personal touch to your communication. Wish your customers well on their birthdays and special occasions, and surprise them with discount coupons. Again, reward your long-term customers. Here's a game changer. Introduce customer loyalty programs to reward your long-term customers. They will earn points for every purchase and can redeem them for cash, rewards, or gifts. So hustlers, there you have it. With these tips, your side hustle will stand out as a business that truly cares. Remember, it's not just about making sales, it's about creating exceptional experiences for your customers.